Hey everyone, welcome to Ask Nehru YouTube channel. It's your host Nehru, and in today's video we are going to break down a TypeScript component to understand how arrays are handled in TypeScript with Angular code base because I'm an Angular developer. Whether you are new to TypeScript or just looking to brush up on your skills, this video is for you. Let's dive in. So we'll be looking at a TypeScript component class that deals with different types of arrays. We have array of numbers, strings, booleans, any type. That means it can have any type data types. And we have name, that means array of objects. Okay, so here is our TypeScript component class. It implementing on-init interface, which means it has ng-on-init lifecycle hook that runs when the component is initialized. Let's go through the code each step by step. Okay, we have array of numbers. Okay, we have several declarations of arrays. So this is an array of numbers simply storing a sequence from 1 to 6, and we have array of strings. It's nothing but fruits. Okay, banana, mango and jackfruit. And we have array of booleans, true, false, false, true, okay, which could be used for toggling features, for example on or off. And we have mixed array. It can hold string data type, true data type, number data type, null, undefined, or even array of object it can hold. And we have array of objects with some interface. It is nothing but defining an object. So we have name and ID. So it should have name and ID. Interface is nothing but defining the structure of an object. So we have name and ID. It can hold different names. So names are string data types and IDs are number data type. So we must give numbers to ID and we should give string value to the name. And name should be there and ID should be there. That's how we have defined here. Now we are going to do some operations over these arrays. So in this case, I have taken fruit array. It is nothing but strings so that we can see the result so easily. So now we have already consoled it in the ng-on-init lifecycle hook. So you can see the fruits. Okay, now I comment everything so we can see this as it is. I just save it with Control S. Now let's see, banana, mango and jackfruit are printed here. Okay, so banana, mango and jackfruits are here, as well as we have consoled it as it is in the ng-on-init method. So banana, mango and jackfruits are available here. So first what I do, I just uncomment the fruits.pop. What the pop does on an array, it removes last element from the array. So the fruits array, jackfruit is the last element. So when I do pop, it removes the jackfruit. So let's see the result here. Jackfruit is removed. Now we have another thing, that is push. So when you do push, it adds an element at the end of the array. So you see here, orange is added at the end of the array. And we have shift method. Shift removes element from the beginning of the array. You see banana was there in the beginning of the array. Now banana is removed from the array. And we have unshift method. It also pushes, but it pushes or adds element at the beginning of the array. So now apple is added at the beginning of the array. So now let's see the result, apple, mango and orange. So these are all some basic manipulations using arrays. Okay, so in this example you have seen how to declare and manipulate different types of arrays in TypeScript. So these arrays operations are fundamental in Angular and TypeScript. So understanding them is key to mastering these technologies. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, thank you for watching.